Hi, this is Dr. Varnan Chekinala. So today I came with another topic called bruxism. So I will tell you what is bruxism in simpler terms. Bruxism is nothing but the excessive grinding and clenching of the jaw. So it can be seen day or night. So most frequently can be seen during night time. So in night time the patient is not aware of it whether that patient is clenching or grinding of his teeth. So basically there are a few reasons for the bruxism. Some reasons like one will be the anxiety and stress, second will be the neurological disorders, and third will be some using of anti-epileptic drugs or some antidepressants medications, and sometimes it may be due to some disorders like Parkinsonian diseases.